How to log in Netflix account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to easily log in into your Netflix account. So whether you are on a computer, phone, or tablet, you can just walk through this process step by step. So let's just get started. First of all, open up your web browser and go to netflix.com, or you can also launch the app. If you're on a browser, simply type in netflix.com and once you're on the Netflix homepage, you'll be finding the sign in option at the bottom at the top right corner of the screen. Just go ahead and tap on it and click on, and you can begin your login process here. So here, you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with the Netflix account followed by your password. So make sure you enter your email and your password, your correct credentials, and if you can't remember your password, there's a forgot password option as well. Once you've entered your email address and your password, click on the sign in option, this one right here, and if your credentials are correct, you'll be taken to your Netflix homepage and you can start watching your favorite shows and movies right there. And that is it. Now you're logged in into your Netflix account and ready to stream. So if this video helped, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.